Oh my gosh, I died. Anyways, hey, what's up guys? It's Sammy here and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be playing Beast Run Simulator just like the last video. Yeah, Aryan. Sammy joined by Aryan here. Bouncer saying tap totg. But yeah, let me go back to that vicious beast. I just had to die to start the video. I had to die to start the video. And for some reason I was just auto moving. Yeah, I know. As soon as I started the video, I just died. They were just sad. But wait, this porcelain, the white porcelain drippers is insane. Just tell you, it gives you extra white pollen.
You have an insane number of
Bees.
Yeah, you have an insane number of bees.
So I had to die to start the video, which is just sad. Okay, still trying to. What's the? I was playing for a long time. I was playing 2 updates ago.
2 updates ago.
Yeah, when Gifted Bees just came out. That's when I started playing.
Oh my gosh. Everyone.
Actually, no, I started playing when Mother Bear just came out. Actually,
What?
I think it was like that. But Mother Bear just came out 2 updates ago. Mother Bear came out 2 updates ago. So yeah. So I was playing 2 updates ago.
Guys, please subscribe to this.
For me? Yeah, please subscribe to me. Okay, so oh my gosh, now I hate this. Honestly, it's not easy to be this good in the games. Some games, just hard. Not easy. Wait, if fishes be attacked the spider? Wait, that's actually crazy. Okay, so let me get this baby love. By the way, I have 17 tabby love. And it actually stacks up to 1,000. 1,000. I'm like so low health. I'm like horrible at dodging stuff, but I'm actually very good at doing damage. My dodging. The level 15 place, okay. But honestly, let me just go get a boost to see. I'll just get a boost, okay? Let me get a field booster. Hopefully, I get the 15th place. If I don't get the 15th place, I don't know. But yeah. Oh, by the way, Azon's still in the server. Yeah, so we're all 3 in the server. But yeah, Azon isn't really.
Why am I dying? There's a mantis trying to kill me.
The mantises are weak. For me. Okay, so I'm going to get the field booster.
I'm hiding in a tree.
Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. The pumpkin patch, okay? I'm going to the pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch.
I'm in the forest. What's it called again? Pine forest?
Someone's saying hi. I'm going to reply. Hi. Okay, I'm going to the pumpkin patch.
I'm in the pine forest.
Pine tree forest. Yeah, okay.
Oh my gosh. Yo, you look so weak. You killed that werewolf, no problem.
Yeah, it was like no problem, really.
At least it like 10 minutes.
What, do you keep dodging the werewolf? Because I know a trick to kill the werewolf. Just hide behind the pumpkin and he'll never get you. He'll never come and get you. He's gonna like. But that's actually why. I already defeated the king beetle today. Because the king beetle is so easy. For me, it gives me 1,000,000. But for you, I don't know. for me. And 1 million honestly isn't that much for me.
I have an account, so I would bring like I don't even know how I.
Yeah. But yeah, I was playing 2 updates ago, so I believe that's when Gifted Bees came out and Treats came out. Yeah, Aryan.
Wait a second. OMG! Lol. My shot. So
Wait, Maisha said you should be playing Fortnite, dude. And he spelled dude wrong.
I know because like I don't play for
Who is he talking to you?
no M and like I thought he probably doesn't know I'm Omega, so he probably like is only talking to.
Only talking to Azan? I'm Omega. No, you're not Omega. You're a noob in this game. I know what you mean. I'm just saying. You're not that Omega in Bee Swarm Simulator. The bees are in a swarm. It's the Bee of Bees Swarm Simulator. The bees have their own simulator. Honestly, this is a really smart game. Honestly, this is a really smart educational game. Well, if you want to learn about bees, yes, it's educational about bees.
I think that the last game of Omega.
So you still in the punchy force with that magnet of yours. It sucks. Honestly, I bought that magnet. It was a rip-off. No, I bought that magnet that you had. It's a rip-off. For me, it was a rip-off.
If you just go around like this, then it does so much. It does like the same amount as the size.
Aryan, you want a free gold egg?
No, I already got it.
From the werewolf cave? From the werewolf's cave?
Yeah, I went inside. The monsters kept killing me, but somehow like I got 10 boosts, and I went in there and came out.
Wait, are you in a club? The Beast One Simulator group?
I'm in peace.
Me too.
Who would?
Actually, no, honestly, they should actually join a group to use those dispensers. They're really good.
Yeah, they're super OP. That's how I did it. I got it. I slingshotted me up here, and then
Azan told me to play Bubblegum Simulator. Should I say yes or no? Oh my gosh. Let's just say, yeah, just make this video of Bee Swarm, of Bubblegum. Should we do it? I kind of feel bad for him. I want to play with him. I'll just tell him late. Oh wait, I'm just gonna tell him I'm recording a video. So after the video, I will join. Okay.
don't. Is this scorpion fun? If they did, don't kill.
Aryan, the spawn scorpion, like some scorpions spawn for one person. It'll spawn for you too. Don't worry. Do you know how people Beast One Simulator works? Even if I kill it, you'll still be able to kill it. And probably I don't even have any. There's no purpose for me to kill the scorpions. I have no quest to kill them or anything like that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so stupid.
What did you do? Aryan, what do you do?
I went down from the mountain.
I still didn't get the carpenter bee. I discovered all the normal types except the carpenter bee.
Really?
Well, I discovered all the legendaries, all the rares, and all the commons. And all the epics, I think. Is there epics?
No,
Yeah.
I found all of the bees. I found all of them.
I discovered all of the bees, all the legendaries, all the rares, and all the epics. But just one legendary I didn't discover. One legendary only. Just a carpenter bee I didn't discover yet.
Even the puppy bee I got, but I got so stupid and I probably was like sleepy. I wanted to, exchange like even the bee you got. I had it, but I wanted to exchange.
Liar, you did not have the puppy bee. It took me ages to get it. It wasn't easy. I got it discounted. You hacker, you're a hacker in that account. My cousin was almost about to report you last time. He almost reported you. I told him to not. Remember when you were playing weightlifting simulator? My cousin was in the server. He was almost yeah, he was in the server. He was almost reporting you. Almost gonna report you. I stopped him. But yeah, that's why you don't hack. He was about to report your NXN account. I mean, like, I swear. So let me hand my quest to Black Bear. Or maybe get a quest. I know, is it get a quest or hand a quest? But yeah. Yeah, okay, guys, I unpaused the video. What did I just say that? But yeah, I'm still grinding on this pumpkin patch pumpkin patch boost with Ethan Wolfie. Me and Ethan Wolfie. Okay. Aryan, this is my channel, not yours. Thank you. You actually show some support. Just remember, are you subscribed, Aryan? Oh, so that's how you saw my new videos. Oh, no wonder. No wonder you're like on my videos every day. Whenever I make a new video, you see it. But do you, by the heart, do you like my channel?
Yeah, I like it. Trust me, I like it.
You better not be lying. So, yeah. Still grinding this pumpkin patch boost. But my backpack holds like 750,000. Okay, well, let me just do something. Okay, so, yep, still grinding this amazing boost. Really isn't that amazing. Okay, let me go get it.
Yo, I'm grinding.
As once, wait, let me just check. Server. I'll tell him when the video's over. Then we'll play bubblegum. Okay? Wait, what? Yeah, I unpaused the video. Yeah, I unpaused it. No, puppy bee, get the ball. Yeah, ball. Yeah, give me the ball. Yeah. Huh. What's your total honey made? What's your total honey made? Mine's is 371 million. That's my total honey made. Wait, that sucks. If I had that much, I would be broke. Like, I'm like the opposite. I have like 371 million. I wish I had that much honey now. They don't. Right now, I only have 27 million. Yeah, right now I only have 27 million.
Probably the creator of the game has 1 trillion or something.
And have you ever been wondering something? Why is the creator of the game not on the leaderboards?
No, because he's too OP.
No, but is the people better? I don't see him anywhere on the leaderboards, really. By the way, the top person on the leaderboards has grinded 1 trillion honey.
Yeah, but like
No, but the creator of the game should be on the leaderboards. It's either he's not he's not as good as the people on the leaderboards, or he's too OP, so he just doesn't add himself in the leaderboard. It's either one of those.
the reason that he doesn't put himself on the leaderboard is probably because he's too OP.
Yeah, probably. Okay.
Imagine like he has like infinite honey.
I mean, if he goes on the leaderboard, then that just makes everyone. So, like, when people wish to be on the leaderboards, they'll never get up to the leaderboards because they're creator.
Yeah.
He makes the leaderboards for the players, not himself. That would be just hilarious if he made the leaderboards for himself to be on the top.
Imagine he made a leaderboard with
Yeah.
everyone that joined his group.
Of course, he would be the top. Because he's in the group. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all next time. Bye!